Some details, such as your business location, have to remain the same across multiple offers. Earlier, these details had to be added manually in every campaign, creating extra work. So, to help you get those creative juices flowing without worrying about consistency or efficiency, we've added support for custom values in the ad copy. Let's learn how to use it. Navigate to the Ad Manager tab inside the Marketing section and create a new campaign. Open the ad you want to edit, then click the tag icon. Select the custom value you want to add. Map your custom values as needed and save your changes. Use the custom values to avoid extra work while increasing your copy's consistency across campaigns, with alerts for any issues, integrated previews, and cross-account support. This feature helps you create a varied yet relevant campaign, enabling you to easily achieve perfect copywriting and keep details consistent across all ads to ensure your customers receive the right message. We hope you enjoy it.